Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals error 0x2e4, the request operation required elevation.
Fix 1. Run Steam as administrator. Step 1. Quit Steam completely, including from the system tray or task manager. Step 2. Right-click Steam, exe or the Steam shortcut, Properties Compatibility tab. Step 3. Tick Run this program as an administrator. Apply, OK. Step 4. Restart Steam. It will launch with admin rights. Step 5. Try launching Marvel Rivals. Step 5. Try launching Marvel Rivals. Fix 2. Run the game launcher. Step 1. In Steam, right-click Marvel Rivals, Properties, Installed Files, Browse, to open the game folder. Step 2. Find the file named Marvel Rivals, Launcher. Exe. Step 3. Right-click it, Properties, Compatibility, check Run this program as an administrator. Fix 3. Opt out of Steam, Beta. Step 1. Open Steam. Go to Settings, Interface. Step 2. Under Client Beta Participation, choose No Beta Chosen. Step 3. Restart Steam. Step 4.